Hey, credit heroes! Running a credit repair business is all about making a positive impact on people's lives. But there's one thing you definitely want to avoid: getting sued. But here's the good news. Staying compliant doesn't mean you have to slow down your growth or stop attracting new clients. Today I'm sharing 5 proven marketing strategies to boost your business while staying compliant with the TSR. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. And I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. And one thing I've learned is that being able to adapt is a superpower. Credit repair requires a ton of persistence, and you have to work hard to stay on top of the latest tactics and regulations. I have failed so many times, but it's all about picking yourself back up, learning something from the mistake, and moving forward. Your success as a credit hero depends on your ability to turn challenges into opportunities. The good news is that you don't have to do it alone. That's why today I'm sharing a bunch of ideas to market your business while staying compliant. Here's how this relates to us. If you missed it, a few weeks ago I shared how I was sued by the CFPB, and I also shared things that you need to do to stay compliant. So go check that out if you haven't already. Now, I want to stress again, if you are doing credit repair as a business, you must be TSR compliant. It doesn't matter how many clients you have or what software you use, you gotta follow the rules. Here's why this is important. You need to educate yourself and understand the full rule, but here are a few key things to keep in mind. Under the telemarketing sales rule, it is illegal to telemarket credit repair services and then charge advance fees. The big thing is that you can't sell or talk to leads or sell your services over the phone or on Zoom calls. So the best solution is to not telemarket. Now, if you can't make sales calls, then how do you run a credit repair business? Well, here's what you need to know. There are lots of ways to grow your business while remaining compliant. And a lot of them are easier and way cheaper than having a sales team. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that your business is compliant. So I've created a helpful checklist for you that clearly shows what you can and can't do to stay TSR compliant. And you can download the checklist for free at creditrepaircloud.com/TSR. And then consider these effective and compliant ways to get new clients. And you might already be doing a bunch of these, which is awesome. But I'll also be creating more in-depth episodes about specific marketing tactics that you can use. So drop your questions down in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them in a future episode. Number 1. Embrace email marketing. You could even start a monthly newsletter featuring client wins, credit facts, and info about how you can help. You can also create downloadable lead magnets to build up your email list. Give away useful credit education material in exchange for someone's email address. It doesn't need to be complicated. 2. Focus on social media. If you're not on social media, now is the time. Share credit tips and tricks with your followers and show them the real you. I've seen some really impressive results from credit heroes who share their personal stories, struggles, and daily life on social media. This can help create trust and connection with leads without ever talking to them. Number 3, create educational content. Get into digital content marketing like blogs and YouTube videos, like I'm doing here right now. Content is king when it comes to building trust and attracting leads. By sharing your expertise for free, potential clients are more likely to trust you and choose your services. When I was first building Credit Repair Cloud, I didn't have money for advertising, so I just wrote all night until the sun came up. I started a blog and I wrote a ton of articles which helped us to grow. And you can easily start your own blog and cover common credit repair issues and tips for improving credit scores, and then sprinkle in your success stories. The more value you provide through educational content, the more likely you are to convert leads into loyal customers. And make sure to use SEO to reach a wider audience. Now, what does that mean? That means use titles and phrases that people are already searching for. Number 4, build up your website. Your website can become the ultimate sales machine. Just make sure there isn't a phone number or anything that leads to a call or a video conference prior to someone becoming a client. You can offer live text chat through your website or connect it to social media. And absolutely add a self-service sign-up with a form that signs people up as clients rather than giving them a phone number to call. And to make this even easier, we've just launched a really professional-looking self-service sign-up flow right in Credit Repair Cloud. Clients can give their information, choose a payment plan, give their credit card details, and start onboarding. It connects to Credit Repair Cloud and your secure client dashboard for a super smooth, compliant experience. Check it out in your Credit Repair Cloud account today or get your 30-day free trial at signup.creditrepaircloud.com. By using a self-service sign-up on your website, you can start to make money while you sleep. And here's a bonus tip. Use sales videos. If your site has self-service sign-up, create a video that explains how to properly check out. And be sure to clearly point out that there is no payment today and that an onboarding call will happen after sign-up. And then create and feature a video that explains your services and the benefits you offer. Other sales videos can serve as consultations, addressing concerns, answering questions, and explaining the benefits of your services. You'll give people the info they need without getting on the phone. And remember, once someone has actually become a client, you can talk to them on the phone or Zoom as much as you like. Number 5, print and in-person marketing. You can always market your business through print materials and in-person marketing. For example, hand out flyers with QR codes that prospects can scan that take them to the self-service sign-up. You can even meet prospects in person to have your consultations and credit audits. Here's my final point. Ultimately, it's really important that you adhere to the TSR to ensure compliance. But it doesn't mean that you can't grow your business or stop getting leads. Keep innovating and stay compliant, and you'll find that your ability to attract and retain clients will only increase. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn even more, check out my top tips to grow your business with client testimonials. And if you'd like to improve your credit score and discover how to earn extra income repairing credit for others, check out my brand new Start Repairing Credit Challenge. So sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com and keep changing lives.